Jopuonjre ma nyiri ijiwo mondo ondikre mar timo kit somo mar ICT mondo gibed kod lony mar arieya e kinde ma gimanyo tije piny masani ma tije yudo teka. Mbalariany mar Zite kod jokanyo mamoko e sekta mar lony manyasani wacho ni thoth jopuonjre ma nyiri ok ndikre mar timo courses mag ICT ka giweyo thuolono ne jopuonjre ma yawuoyi kende. Kaluwore kod director mochung'ne timo nonro kod yango riekni Esther Wanjiru, atamalo 5 kende mar jopuonjre ma nyiri manie kilas mar jopuonjre 50 ema timo courses mag IT moriwo computer science, software engineering kod information technology e kind courses mamoko. Owacho ni jopuonjre man nyiri koso timo courses mag IT ema thothne miyo giyudo pek e yudo tije e piny masani.
Not only in the country but also in the region, and we have well-equipped laboratories where we are able to teach and expose ourselves to our students to various technology skills, from artificial intelligence to data science, machine learning, to software engineering, to product development. So we invested well.
Going back to schools like high schools, before the students get to choose the courses that they want to do. So if we go from such a base, from a starting point, it becomes easier to get these girls transition to a tech industry because that's where they're still young, and it's easier to bring them in to expose children and also high school students to tech. And basically with that, we're able to get more versant to that. There's technology courses that they can choose eventually when they pick up the careers they want to pursue.
I want to encourage the ladies as they tech, or every other lady outside there. Tech is an interesting field, and once a lady is into tech, that's the way to go in the current world.
Moko kum jokanyo e sekta